Hi, in this lecture you are going to learn how to add and remove elements from a list. Let's say that we want to add C++ to our list. So, to our list 1, we want to add, so we have to append a string C++. Now, let's print list 1. And our string has been added to this list 1. Let's also add a number, so we are going to append 10. Now we also have 10. You can also insert an element, so if you are using append, it's going to add it to the end of the list, but you can also insert it where you want. For that you can use insert. So let's say that we want to insert it on the first position, which is position 0, and we want to insert 11. Now 11 it's on the first position, or let's say that we want to have it on the second one, so it's on the second position. If you want to change the element from a position, you have to use indexing, so inside brackets. Let's say that we want to change the element from position 1, so it's this one, and we want to change it to 13. As you can see, instead of 2 here we are having 13, so we have changed the element from index 1. So this is 0 and this is index 1. Now let's say that you want to delete an element from a list. So from list 1 we want to remove Java, let's say. So Java is gone from list 1. So this is case sensitive. If you write it like this, X not in list. So you have to write it exactly the same as it is inside of your list. You can also delete an element from a list by using del, and you have to use indexing. So from list 1, let's say that we want to delete the element from position 1. So 2 is gone from our list. You can also delete the list by using del and the name of your list. So as you can see that we have an error, because when we are going to print it, this list will not exist because we have deleted here. For a list you can also use pop, and this will delete the last element, so it's going to remove Java. If we are going to use pop twice, it's going to remove the last two elements inside of this list. So Java and Python are removed from that list. Pop also returns the element that it deletes. So let's say that we want to print the element that our second pop deletes. So as you can see that it is Python. The first pop will delete Java and the second pop will delete Python, and it also returns it, so you can store it in a variable, for example. And pop you can also use it as remove. So if you are going to pop the element from the second position, 2 will be gone. As you can see, it pops the element from the second position. So this is on position 0, this is on position 1, and it deletes this one. It also returns it, so we have it here, and it deletes it from the list.